Now that I have all the parts back in this sewing machine, in the order I'm sure it goes, because I have turned it over a little bit and everything turns around, but I will show you one of my mistakes that I'm going to have to take it apart and put it back together, which is not much of a problem because it's just the nose piece I have to take off. I forgot to put this little bearing on, and I will show you, or I should say you will hear what it does without that bearing. As you can see, I'm using a battery-powered drill to turn it over, just to test everything, and that's when I discovered my mistake. Now, I will show you where that mistake is. This is the other machine, and this is the little bearing I was talking about. And basically, it goes into this little piece right here. Sorry about the quickness. Right here. And so it's not in there, and so it's making a knocking sound. I will replace it, put it back in, and it should be quieter. Okay, here it is with the bearing. See how nice and quiet that is now. And this right here is your stitch length adjuster. And I see how, if I can't concentrate on that one. Let's move it to the extreme, the other one direction. And it's the longest stitch. And that's the shorter stitch. But man, that thing sounds nice. Well, that's about it for on this one. I'll do another one later.